Good morning. I'm in Boston today. I could not be more excited to be back in the city. It's where I went to grad school, and we're just gonna wander today because we got in on a really early flight and we're a little bit tired, so we're just gonna go to some of my favorite bookish places around the city, and I'll take you with me. So the first stop is breakfast, and we're gonna go to Trident Bookstore because they have breakfast and a full service menu, and it's gonna be amazing. So that's where we're gonna head first. Food first. We just found the most amazing shop. We're on Newbury Street, and it has a whole bunch of cool places to eat and shop, and there's a shop called Fairies, and right now the proprietor has turned it into a complete Harry Potter shop. It was so cool. So if you happen to be on Newbury Street, go into that shop.
Is it visiting?
Yeah, the last guy.
This morning. Oh, where are you headed?
SEO something or other. We're back in the Boston Gardens because we're gonna go find the Make Way for Ducklings statue that's famous and here in the gardens. The Make Way for Ducklings statue behind me is a tribute to this book. Rattle Books because it's got an outside section just here on the street. Inside there's 2 stories of just rows and rows of used books. Behind me is the Boston Public Library, and this was one of my favorite places to come during grad school, so I'm excited to be back, and I'm going to go check out the inside. I don't really find the new part of the library so exciting to visit. The old part is beautiful. I love this outdoor courtyard. Hey book lovers, if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and for more bookish fun, hit that subscribe button.